Warmset is an Italian manufacturer of electric underfloor radiant heating system. Our products originate from a careful choice of material and derive their particular advantages from the structure of the multi-layer laminated ripple. Our heating product is unique in the sector, thanks to the 100% Made in Italy study, which distinguishes it from the classic heating cable and the heating field. Warmset is part of Fincutter Holding Group, the European leader in insulation for electric motors, generators and transformers since 1997. Our mission is to revolutionize heating practices around the world by introducing sustainable, energy-efficient solutions that prioritize comfort, customization, and environmental responsibility. In-floor electric heating solutions represent a growing market around the world. In fact, we are already selling in more than 20 nations. We are always welcome to extend our network, become our distribution partner, and join the movement for a more sustainable planet.